Mr. Peter Obi mourns the departed Somtochukwu Maduagwu. He wrote on his Facebook page, and I read, "Yesterday, I returned home from the United Kingdom, where I had several engagements, including a meeting with the Commonwealth Secretary General. Upon my arrival in Nigeria, I traveled to Agulu, Anambra State, to attend the burial mass and interment of Miss Somtochukwu Maduagwu, the Arise News journalist whose life was tragically cut short in Abuja after an unfortunate encounter with armed robbers in her own home." He noted, "It was a deeply painful experience to witness such a promising future abruptly ended. Somtochukwu was a shining example of youthful resourcefulness and dedication. Her passion for truth and commitment to her work reflected the immense possibilities that abound when our young people are given the right environment to thrive. Losing such a bright talent to insecurity is not only a personal tragedy, but also a national loss. Her warmth, kindness, and gentle spirit touched everyone who knew her. My thoughts and prayers are with her parents, her siblings, and all who mourn this irreparable loss. May God, in His infinite mercy, console her family, strengthen their hearts, and grant them the grace to bear this pain. May the gentle soul of Somtochukwu Maduagwu rest peacefully in the bosom of the Lord, and may perpetual light shine upon her. Amen." Mr. Peter Obi. You're watching Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a nice day.